So here's the case, drop it on the floor. Oh! And yes, the headphones remain intact. Hello again, Pietro here. We got a little package. Let's rip her open and see what's inside. It's something. What is that? Ooh, ESR. We got a FlickLock case and a Qi 2 mini wireless charger. Cool. So this would be for the AirPods that I have in my pocket, and this would be for my iPhone that I'm filming on. So let's take a look inside. Nice packaging, paper, and also just a little bit of plastic. Ooh, braided cable. I love braided cables. Nice. Instructions. Are there stickers? I'm not seeing any sticker, but there is this little care thing and instructions. Watch a quick setup video. All right, I might watch that. Unleash the full power of MagSafe. Cool. Okay, and then this is a nice, oh, we're gonna get to use the knife. Make a small incision right there. Always cut away from yourself. Oh, oh, oh. So again, we got the care, and then it says FlickLock case, Halo lock. Whoa, oh, that's cool. Look at that. There's nice little plastic over there. Oh, that's pretty neat. And then what do we have here? Also in the box, it looks to be a cleaning brush. Nice. And a little plug and a little keychain. All right, all right. So you lock, oh, okay, I get it. That just comes, it's a magnetic, that's cool. Okay, let me grab my my headphones. All right, I read the instructions, pretty cool. So the back of the case has the opening, and then it has the little button for pairing. You just unlock that and you have access to your headphones. Nice. I like the black case. I like the kind of futuristic look. Has access to the port. So if I need to charge this with a cable, plug it right in. Yeah. And I love, whoops. And I love magnets. Okay, as far as this, yes, we have a phone that I can charge it with. Hang on, hang on. There we go, right here in my coat pocket. Ta-da! I happen to have a MagSafe case on my OnePlus 12 smartphone. Again, braided cable, thumbs up. Nice and long for the car. And now we'll go like this. There's a protective layer. Quiet on set. Just put that on my face. Okay, here goes nothing. Ready? Did you hear that? Charging. That was the charging sound. We'll have to do this at night. And it's working. Strong magnet. Nice. I wonder if it's compatible with my Anker car charger. Let's find out. I'll be honest, I've been a little unhappy with the charging speed on this. So with this plugged in, could I? No, this is not magnetic enough. But still, I can just, leave it right there. And now it's charging while drive in the USB-C port. So we have the FlickLock case. Nice. Cyber series designed for MagSafe. I will test this and follow up with you in a few days. You know the drill. I'm not just going to film the unboxing. I have to test the products too. Day one, fresh out of the box experience. I like how these just pop open. That's very nice, very satisfying. I could see myself fidgeting. Oh yeah. And the black on white, or the white in the black. Nice. Very classy. I like the rugged look. I like the design, the different textures. That almost looks like it could be carbonite, but I think it's just plastic. Well, thank you, ESR, and I'll follow up with you in a week or so. See you soon. And it's been a few weeks. I've been using the ESR case in this ESR charger. Let's talk about the case first. It's fun to use. Let's do a couple drop tests. So here's the case. Drop it on the floor. Oh! And yes, the headphones remain intact. Let's try another surface. Let's try it down the carpeted stairs. Whoop. Let's try it again. Whoop. And still good. Hardwood floor. Okay, now we'll try hardwood floor. I think that's pretty good, right? Now there are two ways to charge your AirPods. One is old school wired. And does the case allow for that? Yes. Yes, it does. The other way to charge is wirelessly, which brings us to the other gadget, the Qi Wireless 2. Yes. The charging puck, or wireless charger, also charges the case. So it's stylish, it works, it protects your headphones, it comes in different colors, has the nice little keychain, and it also has the button in the back for when you need to pair your headphones. So everything still works. I like the color. I like that kind of carbonite look. Yeah, and I've actually used the keychain. It has not broken. Okay, if you really pulled on that, I suppose you could break it, but that's not its intended use. And there are ports for the speakers, so if you ever need to find your headphones, like these, you can still hear it. There we go. And next, what do we need to know about this thing? Over the last several weeks, I've been keeping a list. Number one, how fast does it charge? It depends on the phone. 0.5% to 0.6 to 0.7, it's wireless charging. But how many watts? I'll show you that in just a second, and then that will dictate your charging speed. Number three, is it compatible for my particular smartphone model? It works on the iPhone 15, it works on the iPhone 16, and it charges a bunch of other wireless stuff that's MagSafe and Qi 2 compatible. There's a list on the link if you want to click on that in the description. Number four, does it charge headphones? And the answer is yes. How strong is the MagSafe magnet? Pretty good. And with phones? Yeah. When I'm driving, when I'm walking around, I've used this portable battery and charged it in my rucksack in my backpack while I'm walking around. So that works. Number seven, how hot does this wireless charger cook my iPhone? It doesn't really. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you are doing wireless charging, in addition to wired charging, it's best not to use the device. I've tested multiple chargers, and the more you use the device, the hotter the device gets. And wireless charging in general often creates more heat. So that answers the question. But when I measured it with my little digital thermometer, so right now it's at 86, and it can get up to a good 90, 95, at most about 100 or so. So no, it doesn't really cook your phone. Number eight, how hot does a wireless charger cook my Android phone? About the same. However, a little bit warmer because this phone has a 5,000 milliamp battery. So right there's the indication, there's the battery percent, and it shows that it is charging wirelessly. So yes, it does also work with Android compatible phones. In this case, the OnePlus 12 with a MagSafe case adapter by Poetic. All right, Number 9, are MagSafe wireless chargers safe to use in the year 2025? For the most part, yes. Always read the instructions. Number 11, what's the warranty from ESR? 1 year. Number 12, how long has ESR been selling charging gadgets? Number 13, will using a wireless charger as a primary source for charging my phone cause battery health damage over time? Not really, not more so than charging. Again, you want to make sure that this is compatible with your phone, and in my case, nada. I've been using this as the primary charger for the last several weeks, and my battery health is the same. My battery health is actually down to 90, and it is still at 90%. Number 14, how much does it cost? Well, right now on Amazon, it's going for $22.99. It comes in this cool graphite color, comes in silver, dark blue, desert titanium, jet black, Sierra blue, and also white. Pretty cool. Now what about the earbuds case? So for this really fun FlickLock case, messed up. So for this really fun FlickLock case, shock absorbing, premium feel. It has multiple colors. We have a blue, a black, a white, a green. And for AirPods 4 case, it's on sale for $9.59. Desert titanium, gray, light green, pink, purple, red, A titanium, A white, A navy, B black. Yeah, lots of colors. 10 bucks. So it's 20% off right now. It was $11.99, now it's $9.59. How's the customer service? Pretty good so far. I've only had a couple questions and they were quick to respond. Is it faster charging than most plug-in methods? If you're not using an OEM Apple cable, yes, it can be faster. And it's faster than the original Apple plug because when you charge it in, I'll show you. So one thing cool about this little charger, as soon as you plug something in, it shows you how many watts. So watch how fast this is going to charge my device. So plug this in, nothing else is plugged into the brick. 0 watts, it's thinking, 72% charged, 1 watt, 2.7, 6, it's climbing, and 9 watts. So we're already twice the speed of the original Apple charger. 11. Oh, and the timer's out. Here we go, 12. I've seen it go up to 17, almost 18 watts. It just depends on what the phone's doing and the battery percent of the phone. The higher the phone gets, it slows down. It slows down. So pretty cool that it charges that fast. And I like that it's a strong magnet and it's a braided cable. So does the charging brick matter? Yes. Yes, it does. You know, if you were to try to use this brick, this is intended for OnePlus, it might not work. So you want to make sure you use a safe charging brick. And it just so happens this Anchor one charges just fine. So there you go. Great for the car, great for traveling, great for outdoors and when you want to protect your $250 headphones. And I like that ESR is compatible with its own stuff. Fun charging gadgets. Well, thank you so much for clicking on by. I had a lot of fun doing the drop test, and it was fun reviewing these gadgets. I actually needed one for the car because I gave my other hockey puck, which is slightly slower, it was rated at 10 watt to a friend of mine, and this one goes up to 17 watts is the fastest that I've seen it. And I love how MagSafe just clicks right in and charges your gadgets more efficiently. If you remember, it wasn't too long ago that we didn't have that ability, and now with the cases and the phones, it's just so much easier to charge gadgets. So it is a smart adapter. It knows that there's nothing to charge, and see, 0 watts. Any questions, pithy comments, type those down below. And yes, ESR is watching this the same time you are. If you have any really perplexing questions, type them as well, and I'll have another video sometime in the next 88 hours or sooner. And don't forget to run farther to get further in life. Goodbye.